Is there any other way to keep my CRM safe? A frequently asked question from most of the CRM users, which has now come to an answer by two-step verification extension for Vtiger. As the name suggests, a new security layer will be added to your user login to make sure no stranger would ever access your data. Here I first enter my username and password. Now I'm required to enter the second code from my authenticator app. Let's see how to see the configuration and make Vtiger more secure. Well, first and foremost, you need to set two-step verification status active, as I've chosen before, and then there are a set of variables that need to be active as well. For example, I've got email code, SMS code, backup codes, and verification software codes. So I set all of them active. And now you should pay attention that for SMS and email you need to have a set of structures. And here I have two-step verification code length, which means how long your codes are going to be. You choose 7, and then you have backup code length, how long your backup codes are going to be. You can choose from 4 to 20, and to me 6 is enough. Here I've got number of backup codes. It means how many of them you should have. So let's choose 8 here. And then I have validity duration for how many days you would like your device to know your user. It can be different from 1 to 30. It's based on days. So I would just choose 1, and then you're supposed to choose the name of your company. So to us that'd be Vitalyx, and you can choose whatever you would like. Now that the changes are saved, I choose my preferences from the user's profile, and in my preferences section I choose more, and then two-step verification. Well, here I've got user mobile and email that need to be filled with what is in your My Preferences section, and then you have two-step verification settings, so make sure the status is active. Then you have the backup codes, as many as the number you've chosen before in the settings. If you would like to generate new codes, you can simply do it. And now if you would like to use software, you should enable it here. Choose the operation system you would like Android, iOS, or whatever. So then click on next step. Here is the time to scan the code and enter the code you see here. Then I am supposed to enter it, and then next. Alright, here as you see it is valid and your device is known now.